don't know if that one's gonna help us or not. First keeper, 12 inches. Not gonna help us. I mean, it's gonna help us, but I doubt it. Hopefully we cool that fish. Hopefully we get rid of that fish. That's not gonna win anything is what I'm saying. Number 2, guys. Today we're fishing the Tnkatt meetup tournament. This is the Fort Loudoun Tellico tournament. So I think we got around close to 20 anglers in this tournament today. So it's about 6:30 in the morning. Try and keep this fish pretty still. Get a picture. Good to go. All right, guys, we've got 2 fish on the board. It's a 3-fish limit. So one more, we got our limit, and then we're gonna start cooling from there. Guys, it is a super foggy morning this morning. Crazy foggy. So me and Eric got up at 4:30. He came to my house, picked me up, jumped on the interstate. Here we are out here on Fort Loudoun, guys. Like I said earlier, this is the Fort Loudoun Tellico Tnkatt meetup. I believe this is stop number 7 or 8. And yeah, we're kind of struggling this morning. A lot of boats out on the water. We saw a few other kayakers at the ramp, but just trying to get some things figured out. One of the guys back there probably caught 10 or so sitting in the mouth of that cove, and just those fish were busting on shad, and he was just throwing looked like a paddle tail, just wearing them out. So yeah, we're back in another cove now. I'm just gonna work around this thing. I'm gonna throw a wacky rig, maybe throw this lipless or a whopper plopper, and yeah, see if we can catch our limit, and then maybe do a little bit of upgrading, hopefully. All right, guys, we ended up switching spots. We come down to a spot further down the lake, and hoping we can have a little more success. That place was just overrun with boats, overrun with kayakers. It's just too many people, and the bite was just not there. We caught a few fish, and that was it. So we switched spots, hoping some of this is open back here and hasn't been fished as hard. So we're gonna find out. Caught a couple decent ones here the other day. More than a couple, but nothing crazy. But that, I did catch a good one though. Should I keep it or throw it back?
Keep it. Put it on the board. At least get a limit.
If it'll even go 12.
Didn't go 12?
No. made the right call, bro. All right, guys, I got my limit. Finally got my limit. Now we tried to upgrade. Woo! That'll cool. Hey, they're tucked up in on that bank, dude. Multiple fish. Now they're upgrading. Not much, but I'll take it. I thought I heard a fish. Oh, there's a good one, guys. Stay down. Stay down. That's a good one. That. We'll take that. Whoa! That's a good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish, guys. It's not a bad one. It's definitely going to help us. Best fish of the day so far, 16.75. There she is, 16.75. It's gonna help us. Not bad. Oh, dude. Thought it was a good one. But it's not. A little short. Nope. Not gonna help. Well, guys, we just got loaded up. Tough day on the water. We caught fish. My morning started out super slow. Caught a couple small keepers, 12 and 14 and a quarter. That was early this morning. That's all I caught at the first place. So we packed up, we left, we came down to a different ramp. Anywhere on Fort Loudoun or Tellico was legal. So we packed up, came down here, and I upgraded 3 times. And you know, caught a few fish down here, but not enough to win it, guys. Last time I checked, I was in 6th place, but 30 minutes before the tournament is over, they turn off the notifications in the app, so you can't see who's leading, who submitted what at the very end. So we're gonna go to check-in, we're gonna go to the restaurant, we're gonna eat, drink some beer, eat some good food, and I'll let you guys know how we did. Like I said, I think last I checked I was in 6th or 7th out of, how many anglers was there ended up being? 17 anglers. So definitely struggled, guys, but the water was definitely packed too, so that had a big impact on it. Just all the people fishing, kayaking, all the boats. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna get out here, guys, eat, and see who won. All right, guys, we're actually leaving the meetup now. We're out here at the Carolina House. Had us a few brews and some super awesome food. What Philly cheesesteak? It was so good. Anyways, guys, ended up in 8th place, but I did end up with 2 $20 fishing online gift certificates, one from a previous tournament, a $20 gift certificate from this. I got my March online tournament for first place. So I got my trophy for that. And then we got our t-shirt. Here, Eric, you wanna hold this up for me? So we got our Tnkatt t-shirts. There's the front. And there is the back. The Tnkatt Tennessee Kayak Anglers Tournament Trail, guys. So yeah. So we got our shirts, got a trophy, a couple gift certificates for the fishing online. So pretty stoked about that. Wasn't expecting the gift certificates, but I will take it. So I'm gonna go home and order a few things. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Definitely a tough day on the water, like I said, but it was an awesome day on the water, guys. Still had a blast no matter what. So please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you boys on the next one. Peace.